In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your graphics in Goat Simulator 3. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can easily adjust your graphics for Goat Simulator 3 on PC, mobile, and consoles. So first, if you open Goat Simulator 3 on PC, either while you are on the home screen or when you go over and you start playing, you will be able to pause at any point and go over to these settings. On the settings, there will be plenty of categories to choose from, with the second category being graphics. So as the name suggests, this is where you will be able to change the graphics for Goat Simulator 3. If you don't want to spend time customizing each individual setting, you can just use the Auto Detect Graphic Settings option. This is going to detect the hardware on your system and adjust the settings accordingly. So if you have a low-end PC, this is going to lower most of the graphical settings so you get better performance. And if you have a high-end PC, it is going to significantly improve the quality and you should still have a playable frame rate. So all that you have to do is customize this to your own liking. You will also be able to change the display settings, so the screen mode between full screen, windowed, or windowed borderless, and also the resolution. You can enable or disable VSync, change the field of view, limit the frame rate and the screen scale, and then the advanced categories for actual graphic settings, like the textures, view distance, and so on. Now, if you are on console, you will still be able to change some settings, but it is much more limited. As you can see, you will only find stuff like motion blur and options related to the field of view. Now, if you are playing on mobile, then sadly, it is completely impossible to change the graphics settings. For whatever reason, when the developers ported it over to mobile, they didn't include the graphics settings, so you won't be able to change anything. When you open Goat Simulator 3 on mobile, all of the settings will be adjusted automatically and you will not be able to change any of them. It is going to detect your phone's configuration and set them up accordingly. As it stands today, you will only be able to change settings on PC and some of the settings on console. If this video helped you on how to change graphics in Goat Simulator 3, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.